Welcome back to another episode of Bob Montego. I was, if you're from Montego Bay, everyone actually knows Charles Garden Market, and it's our version. It's Montego Bay's version of, say, Coronation Market, in Kingston. Um, but I was there in down, Charles Garden Market, and there was this guy cursing and carrying on and so forth, and then he turned to me and he said something. And I have to tell you, I love my people, but hey, there's some things we don't understand. He turned to me and then he said something, and I really didn't care. I didn't even, I don't know what he even said to me, but I really didn't care to answer him because I wasn't going to be any part of any cursing and carrying on, that kind of thing. But I didn't answer him, and then, so he really now turned to me and started cursing me out. And, I have to tell you the truth. I got a little livid, and I chipped him back a couple dishcloth and tablecloth. Also, couple people jumped in. He seemed to come to his senses, and then, but he, not wanting to be wrong, he said to me, he said, "Well, you first disrespect me, come talk to you, and talk to me." And uh, look. Um, if I had a penny for every time I hear someone said, well, you have to give respect to get respect, or respect is reciprocal, um, I'm here to tell you this. It's not exactly so. You see, the same way you cannot see the wind because the wind is not seeable, but you can see the rain because the rain is seeable. You cannot respect someone who is not respectable, right? That's because they're not respectable, so you can't respect that person. It's plain and simple. It's not because you respect me or you do what you consider to be respecting me, then I'm therefore supposed to respect you. No. In the same way, you cannot see the wind because it's not seeable, but you can see the rain because it's seeable. The same thing with respect. If you want to be respected, you must be respectable. Make sense? You hear me? Thanks for watching Bob Montego, and if you have not yet done so, please like, share, subscribe, and tell someone about it. Thanks again for watching. Walk good.